Hello Dutch readers, we're glad to welcome you on InstaForex TV channel. You are watching Economy Calendar with me, Tahmina Salomova. At the end of the week, the following macroeconomic events are likely to attract investors' attention. On Thursday, the Bank of England will announce its decision on the key interest rate. According to experts, the key rate is likely to remain at the level of 0.75% in September. At its August meeting, the British regulator raised interest rates above the emergency level introduced after the financial crisis, despite mounting fears about the economic impact on Britain crashing out of the EU without a deal. The MPC said recent readings for economic growth appear to confirm that the dip in output in the first quarter was temporary, with momentum recovering in the second quarter. It also said an ongoing tightening of monetary policy, meaning more interest rates rises, would be required if the economy continued to recover its forecast to return inflation toward the bank's 2% target over the next few years. The bank's decision, only the third change in interest rate in the last decade, comes as fear mount over Brexit, with Theresa May facing parliamentary divisions over her plan. On Thursday, the key interest rate for September will be announced by the European Central Bank. Markets are calm and do not forecast any changes. At the July meeting of its Governing Council, the European Central Bank left its monetary policy unchanged, as had been expected. At the same time, the bank continued to hint that an interest rate hike could be on the way in the next year or so. The Governing Council expects the key ECB interest rate to remain at their present levels at least through the summer of 2019, or for as long as necessary to ensure the continuous sustained convergence of inflation to levels that are below but close to 2% over the medium term. On Friday, the US will publish information about change in the retail sector for August. According to experts' forecasts, this economic indicator should have risen by 0.4% on a monthly basis. In July, US retail sales rose more than expected as households boosted purchases of motor vehicles and clothing, suggesting the economy remained strong early in the third quarter. Sales increased by 0.5%, but data for June was revised lower to 0.2% instead of the previously reported 0.5%. Economists had forecast a jump of 0.1% in July. From a year ago, retail sales rose by 6.4%. Core retail sales advanced by 0.5%. July's increase suggested the US economy started the third quarter on solid footing after lodging its best performance in nearly 4 years in the second quarter. In addition, the following macroeconomic data will be released at the end of this week. On Thursday, Australia is to release its monthly jobs report. The US is expected to release statistics on consumer price inflation and initial jobless claims. On Friday, New Zealand is to publish private sector data on manufacturing activity. China will release industrial production data. The US is to publish economic reports, including data on industrial production and consumer sentiment. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to InstaForex TV channel.